Good.
Good afternoon, judges and fellow friends. We are very happy to be here for the KIDDO Science competition. May I introduce you to my friends? We have Risha, Shashwin, and I myself am Shian. I'm happy to present our title, Jack and a Beanstalk. Our purpose of this experiment is to show which liquids are best for seed germination. How we got interested in this topic is because we know that we wanted to do something with plants. So we know that a plant comes from seed. So we also need light, air, and water to grow a plant. And then suddenly we thought, what if we don't use plain water, but then other liquids to grow a plant? So that's the question. Why? How did we get interested? So now I'll pass to my friend Shashwin to do the procedures. Thank you.
Thank you, Shian. Hi, I am Shashwin, and now I will go through with you the procedure that our group follow for our experiment. The materials used in our experiment are tap water, Coke, Milo milk, Rabina, salt water, vinegar, mung beans, black soil, and plastic containers. We conducted our experiment following these steps. Step 1. 6 plastic containers were filled with 50 grams of black soil. Step 2. 6 mung beans were placed in each of the plastic containers. Step 3. 20 milliliters of tap water, Coke, Milo milk, Rabina, salt water, and vinegar was poured into each plastic container. Step 4. The mung beans were observed for 1 week after pouring 20 milliliters of each liquid in the plastic containers. Step 5. The results were recorded in a table. I will now hand over to my group member Isha, who will explain the results of our experiment to you.
Thank you, Shashwin.
Thank you.
So, good afternoon, judges. My name is Risha. I'm going to explain about the results. So, tap water. So, the seed germination had happened at day 3. Coke, Milo milk, and vinegar. No seed germination was happened. Ribena and salt water. No seed germination was happened, but a white mold was observed on the surface of the seeds on day 4. Based on our observation, only the mung beans with the tap water was germinated. Because tap water contains the essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium. Mung beans need water, oxygen, and proper temperature in order to germinate. And nutrients are essential for seed germination. With the nutrients in the tap water, seeds are germination in day 3. Ribena and Coke contains a high content of sugar. The propylactic acid in the Coke and citric acid in the Ribena cause them to be in acidic condition. Hence, the mung beans with the Coke and Ribena were not germinated. Milo milk contains malt barley, milk powder, sugar, and cocoa beans, vitamins and minerals. Although Milo milk has vitamins and minerals, however, Milo milk is still not suitable for seed germination as milk powder, sugar, and cocoa are high in sugar contents. Salt water contains a high concentration of dissolved salts, known as sodium chloride. Thus, all salty for mung beans resulted in no seed germination. Vinegar is an aqueous solution of acetic acid. It's a mildly acid with a pH of 2 to 3. In consequence, the acidity of vinegar caused the mung beans in the plastic container with the vinegar were not able to germinate. To conclude, tap water is the most suitable liquid for seed germination as contains the essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium are the essential for seed germination, and the hypothesis is found to be correct. We would like to thank Teacher Mel, Teacher Wei Q, and Teacher Hassan for guiding us. We would like to support all the parents who have been there for our lives. And last but not least, our teammates. Without them, we could never completed this task. Thanks a lot. Thank you. I cannot hear you. You are mute. You are mute.
All right. Okay. I am mute already. Okay. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. Good job. I like the topic a lot. Okay. Because you're comparing different kind of liquid. Correct or not? Yeah.
Yes.
To germinate the seed. So end up only the tap water that is the plant growing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. May I know, are you guys, is 3 of you doing this experiment together or
Yes.
different place?
Okay.
Together.
Together.
Okay. All right. All right. Xian, if you want to answer, you just shout out only, okay? Okay, 不用怕的, okay? Shout out only. Why? Because your group is very, very good. Okay, your group is very good. I like the topic, very scientific. Okay. Now, can I ask questions? Can I not? Okay.
Yes.
Can I
Yes.
ask questions? Now,
Yes.
even though one of you answer, the rest want to answer also can one, all right? You
Okay.
answer wrongly also doesn't matter one. There's no minus mark if you answer wrongly, it doesn't matter. I just want to know how confident you guys can answer the questions. Okay? Yeah?
Okay.
All right. I want to ask about the procedure. You said you use Ribena. Do you add water or you use pure Ribena?
Pure Ribena.
Oh, okay, very good. Same goes to another item. Milo, you add water, right, to make a Milo drink, or you use the packet Milo.
Like no packet Milo. We just use with the powder and water. No hot water.
Okay, okay. Remind me, you use salt, you use Ribena, you use water. What else?
Coke.
Vinegar.
Okay, all right, all right, all right. I want to ask about the procedure also. You use 50 gram in all cup,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Yes.
You use how many seed in all cup?
6.
6. You use what is the amount of water? Amount of liquid to put inside. How much?
ml.
20 ml. Xian, is it 20 ml?
Yes.
Okay. Why all must keep the same?
So the experiment will be equal. The experiment will be fair.
How about Xian? Xian, tell me. Okay. Okay.
Change one.
Okay. Okay. Good answer. Good answer. Mm, all right. If you have a chance to improve the experiment, how would like you to how would you do?
We would like to do like a very fair, good one, and like a fair and exciting one.
Okay. All right. How about Shashmin? You have answer on that? How would you
And
improve
also
the
cool.
experiment? Okay. Shashmin, you want to try to answer?
Use different soils.
No.
Or you use different soil to compare with different soil. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. I'm going to ask one last questions. Can or not? Okay. Yeah. One last questions. Uh, why you think vinegar is not good for germination?
Because it's too acidic.
Because it's acid. Because it's acid.
Because it's an aqueous acid.
Okay, all right, all of you answer the
Why
questions
we keep saying
correctly.
acid?
Okay, all of you answer the questions correctly. Okay, I don't have any more questions. Job well done. But I have suggestion. Can I give you guys suggestion? Okay, right? Give you guys suggestion. Okay. Now, Richard, just now, okay, after you present the result, okay, you must present the conclusion first. Okay. Conclusion is at the end, what do you find out? Okay. What did you find out? You find out that water can germinate, the rest cannot. You must inform me first. Okay. After the result, yeah, you make a good conclusion. Then you under the discussion, you explain to me. You get what I mean? You don't explain to me first. Okay. You don't explain to me first. You tell me what you find out, the conclusion already, then only you explain, you do the discussion, okay, to tell why, because vinegar is too acidic, okay, because water contains the natural minerals, correct or not? Yeah, and because the Ribena is acidic as well, correct? So you do a discussion, okay? Now, I have very high hope on this group, okay? That's why I want to give more advice, can or not? Okay. Now, I want you all to equalize the amount, the time that you guys talk. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Like for example, Richard, you have a very lengthy explanation. Okay. Yeah. So maybe you guys have to even out. You get what I mean? Yeah. You understand? Even out, right? Okay. Even out. Okay. You can even out so that everybody talks at the equal time, something like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Your guys, I want you guys to present with confidence. Okay. Shashwin very confident. Shah very confident. Xian, you can improve on that. Okay. Do you know everything? I ask all the questions, you also can answer, you know, Xian. Yeah. So be confident. Okay. Talk to like talk to friend. Okay. Talk to a friend. It's okay. Yeah. Now, if your team is selected to round number 2, I want you to bring the board that you have. If can, bring along the experiment. Shashmin, I see you have a box of experiment over there. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, bring
The
it
whole
over.
experiment.
Yes, bring your experiment over to show everybody. Okay, I will provide you a table. Yeah, and you can put a stand on the table. Now, show to everybody. Who is everybody? There is children going there. There is children same age like you. There's children older than you. There's mommy and daddies. There's grandpa and grandma. Okay.
That
So
is
yes, your relative might be there as well. Yeah. So I just want you to present, okay, to show everyone. Can or not? Yeah. About your findings. Okay. Very, very interesting findings. I give you a tips. Can or not? Give you a tips. I want you to end with a bang. End with a bang. How do you end with a bang? At the end of the day, if you don't have water, don't use other liquid to grow a plant. Correct or not? Okay, don't use other liquid to grow a plant. Just use plain water. Okay, because you guys prove it already. Correct? Can I use seawater? Can I use seawater? Seawater, ocean water.
I don't think so. I don't think so. It got salt, teacher.
Yeah, because it's salty, and you show me already, right? Salt water, all right, cannot be germinate.
There's
Okay,
a
cannot.
mold. Then you'll still have a mold.
Yeah, yeah. Now, how do you improve the accuracy of the experiment? How do you
Right.
improve the accuracy of the experiment? Maybe you can do more batch. You get what I mean? Batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. See whether the 3 batch, is it the same or not? You get what I mean? Do 3 round. You get what I mean? Do 3 round. See, so that the accuracy of the result will be better, will be increased. Okay, so that is just my advice lah. Okay, so your guys is good, your team is good. Okay, all the best. I hope to see you all face to face. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you from me. Thank you from me.
Thank you.